Now, is this true? The Cardano founder is done with XRP? Could it be? Let's talk about this. ClearCrypto YouTube channel. Let's go. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. The captain's here. Let's get into this content right now. Now, in a recent video statement, Output, Charles Hoskinson said that he would completely remove himself from any discussion involving XRP, and the community kept harassing him due to the false rumor about a December 15th settlement between Ripple and the US Securities and Exchange Commission. Now, he explained to one of his listeners, and it says so right here, simply asked a question about whether or not ADA could be classified as an unregistered security in the US. And what would Cardano do in such a case? Now, while sharing his take on the issue, Hoskinson said and made an offhand comment about Ripple case. Now, he claims that the case is an industry-wide concern, which is why he touched upon the issue. Now, the Cardano founder clarified that he heard rumors from a pretty reliable source close to the case. Yet, after the rumor, Hoskinson expected ended up being false. He accused of lying by members of the XRP community. I don't know how to interact with the XRP community. That's what the Cardano founder said. So now he wants to remove himself. He doesn't view the XRP token as an unregistered security in spite of this SEC allegations, okay? So there's allegations still out there. It's allegations about Cardano as well. But however, he also believes that there are some sort of corruption involved. And his view is that it's just a conspiracy theory that is being promoted by XRP fans. And he argues that Ethereum received a more gentle treatment from regulatory agency due to its size, scope, and scale. So Cardano founder is saying, hey, he's done with XRP in terms of the discussion, but Cardano and XRP still remains one of the top community, and XRP Cardano is one of the top cryptocurrencies we still have in the world. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Hey, that's pretty strong statements by Charles Hoskinson, the Cardano founder. We'll see what happens in the future. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video.